Hello guys, welcome to Jkasamoah Tech. In today's video, I just want to show you how you can fit snipping to WASAPI exclusive mode audio error in Windows 11. Alright, so without much ado, let's get started. First thing, go to your start button and search for control panel. Okay, just search for control panel. Click on it and go for hardware or select hardware and sounds. Here you go for select sounds, and this part double tap or double click on speakers and go to spatial. Make sure this one is off. Advanced, make sure you turn these two exclusive mode off and enhanced audio also off. Right, then you click on OK. Come to recording, then microphone array, just double tap on it. Advanced, turn the exclusive mode off, enhance audio to also off, then you click on apply. Okay, as soon as you get this, okay, then this part next that you have to do is to search for snipping tool here. Okay, just search for snipping tool, so click on it and click on the overflow menu here and settings. Let's maximize it. Scroll all the way or come to this part. Make sure this button is what enable. As soon as you get this one as well, the next thing that is supposed to do is to just go to your start button again, settings, apps. Okay, just click on apps and then click on installed apps, and here search for snipping tool. Okay, just search for snipping tool and click on the overflow menu here again, advanced option, and make sure your microphone is on. And as soon as you're done with this, you click on reset. All right, and you are good to go. So as soon as you click on reset, make sure you restart your device as well for it to work perfectly for you. See you, and I'm out.